Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the basic 3D model. Click on New. Make sure the workspace switch is on 3D modeling, and we can see the figure over here. We can give a color to the layer. Okay. Now we can go for the southwest isometric on top. Here we can see this is the front view. Here this is the left side view. Here is the top view. Now we can start drawing using a line. Make sure the ortho mode is on. Specify the first point 0, comma 0. The distance here is 30. The height is 50. Now the thickness here is 10. And this length is 20. Here also 20. Then we can close it. Now we can change this area into a region. So it will turn as a surface. Press enter. Now we can see that here. Now we can use the extrude command. The total distance over here is 60. So now press enter after clicking. Now give the distance over here 60. Now we can make a line over here, also 20. We can go with the 2D model. We can use the offset over here, and the length is also 20. Press escape. We can mark a line over here also, and close this. So we can convert these three lines into a surface. So press region, press enter. So this converted into a region over here. Now use extrude, select the region, press enter. Now give the distance, yes, 20. So the top portion is completed. Now we have to create a circle or arc over here. Again, we can go for the wireframe. We can go with the cylinder, but the orientation is a little different over here. So we put here the front, then change this portion also to the front, and we can create the cylinder. So dia is 40, so we press 20, then the thickness is 30. So it's look like this. Then we can use the subtract command. So first we need to select the main object, then press enter, then we select the object to subtract. Click here, press enter. We can get the shape over here, and we can also use the union command to combine these two solid. Press enter. So here we can see the object. This is a front view, left side view, and the top view. Thank you.